Welcome back, time travelers. In this episode of Tracing Time, the history of the universe, Earth, and mankind, we embark on a celestial journey to explore the captivating story of the formation of our very own galaxy, the Milky Way. The Milky Way galaxy, a magnificent spiral galaxy, is home to billions of stars, including our Sun, and a vast array of celestial wonders. But how did this majestic structure come to be? Our story begins billions of years ago when a colossal cloud of gas and dust, known as a nebula, started to collapse under the force of gravity. As the nebula contracted, it began to spin and flatten into a rotating disk, what we call a protoplanetary disk. Within this protoplanetary disk, dense regions started to form, giving birth to young hot stars. These stars emitted intense radiation and a powerful stellar wind, shaping the surrounding gas and dust and creating regions of immense activity. These stellar nurseries became the cradles of star formation, as clusters of stars ignited one after another, illuminating the galactic landscape with their brilliance. In this celestial dance, massive stars, hundreds of times more massive than our Sun, burned brightly but met a dramatic end. These behemoths exhausted their nuclear fuel and in cataclysmic explosions known as supernovae scattered heavy elements throughout the galaxy. Over millions of years, these cycles of star formation, supernovae, and stellar death contributed to the gradual assembly of the Milky Way. Smaller stellar clusters merged and gravity drew neighboring gas clouds together, leading to the formation of a galactic home. The Milky Way exhibits a distinctive spiral structure with graceful arms extended from a dense, bulging center. This structure is a result of the combined forces of gravity and the rotation of the galaxy. As the Milky Way continued to evolve, different types of stars formed within its vast expanse. Open clusters containing young and hot stars dotted the spiral arms, while globular structures composed of older stars congregated in the halo surrounding the galactic center. Our solar system, nestled within one of these spiral arms, orbits around the galactic center. It takes approximately 200 million years to complete a single revolution. Beyond the visible disk, the Milky Way is enveloped by a halo of old stars, globular clusters, and mysterious dark matter, whose gravitational influence shapes the galaxy's structure. Scientists and astronomers are continuously studying the Milky Way, unraveling its mysteries and mapping its vast expanse. Through advanced telescopes and innovative techniques, we are gaining a deeper understanding of our cosmic neighborhood. At the heart of the Milky Way lies a supermassive black hole, millions of times more massive than our Sun. Its immense gravity affects the surrounding stars and gas, shaping the galactic dynamics. Throughout its cosmic journey, the Milky Way has interacted with other galaxies, experiencing close encounters and gravitational interactions. These interactions have left their marks, shaping the structure and evolution of our galaxy. The formation of the Milky Way is not just a tale of celestial processes. It is intricately connected to the larger story of the cosmic evolution. Our galaxy holds clues about the origins of stars, galaxies, and the building blocks of life itself. From the birth of stars in stellar nurseries to the grandeur of its spiral arms, the formation of the Milky Way is a captivating tale that connects us to the vastness of the cosmos. Join us on our journey as we continue to trace time and uncover the wondrous secrets of our galaxy, the Milky Way.